Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shred cheddar cheese while it is cold, and then bring it to room temperature for about 20 minutes. Place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Set the microwave on medium heat and nuke for 15 seconds. Stir the cheese and if needed add an extra 15 seconds to reach the desired melted consistency.
Take our lead.
Here's the how to melt cheese the slow and steady way. Use low heat. Introduce a double boiler, even, to avoid overcooking. If you want to speed up the melting a little more, try grating the cheese instead of cranking the temperature. The thin and uniform shape will melt faster and more evenly.
Take our lead.
As a cheese gets older, the protein strands start to break down, which makes it less likely to stretch. An aged cheddar cheese still has the same pH level and comparable levels of fat and moisture, but the protein strands have broken down. So when you heat it, the aged cheddar cheese will still melt.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.